Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel. Today when we are going to talk about the Oppo phone setting, and today video title is guys how to turn off auto brightness in our Oppo phone device. Hence you want to turn off guys your auto brightness from your phone settings. So how can you off it? And hence your phone brightness decrease and increase automatic. So how can you stop this setting? Today friends I will show you, I will tell you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, now let's see how can we off it. Friends, we will on our phone setting guys. After on phone setting I scroll it. Friends, you can see this tab setting. Friends, click on the display and brightness tab here. Friends, click on guys this auto brightness. So friends, you can see your brightness. So I will tap here off. After off guys, your brightness will not increase and decrease automatic guys. You can try, you can check guys. You can set your brightness level according to yourself. So like that guys, we can turn off auto brightness. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye friends.